Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record your MacBook whole screen. So first time I have to search for QuickTime, then it would open a folder. It's not a major, I have to cancel this and open the QuickTime player and right click here. Here is a new audio recording, new movie recording, and new screen recording. So I'm going to record my whole screen. So I'll select the new screen recording and it will pop up here. See, I can take screenshot from here, and I also record here a partial portion of my screen, and I also record the entire screen, you can see. And I'll select for the entire screen and press the record, and it start recording with my audio. And if I want to pause the recording, so then I have to press this button from here, and it's done. So after that I have to export the file. So how can I export this? Let's check it out. So it's right now it's opening in my QuickTime, so I have to export it from here. So you can see I can play from here and I can edit all the things. So first I have to export this top right corner and save, and I can save this to my desktop. I see it has, here is the desktop, and it will be test, and save it. See, here is my recording. It's a movie format, so I can import this to any type of video software, and I can import this to any kind of video software and edit like anything. This is the default software of Mac. It will be very good to use their default software for screen recording. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give a like and subscribe my channel for more this type of video. Thank you.